1929 USA 1-cent coin. Hey history buffs, treasure seekers, and coin roll hunters. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're stepping back nearly a century to examine a coin that survived the Roaring Twenties and the start of the Great Depression, the 1929 Lincoln wheat cent. Now, most of these pennies are common, but hidden within the vast mintage of that year are some subtle, sometimes spectacular, errors and varieties that could make a small copper coin worth an absolute fortune. We're talking life-changing money, potentially even millions. Magnifying glass still to left the basics. Mintage and value of a common 1929 penny. The year 1929 saw the U.S. Mint producing Lincoln wheat cents at 3 different facilities. Philadelphia, no mint mark. A massive 185 million minted. Denver, D mint mark D. 41 million minted. San Francisco, S mint mark S. 50 million minted. Because of these large numbers, a typical, well-circulated 1929 penny you might find in an old collection is only worth a small premium over face value, maybe 25 cents to a couple of dollars, mostly for the copper content and historical value. Even a decent condition 1929s is only worth around $1 or $2 in average circulated condition. The key is condition and rarity. Premium condition. If you find a 1929 penny in mint state, especially one with original red luster, the value jumps significantly. An uncirculated 1929s, for example, can be worth hundreds of dollars. But we're here for the real jackpot, the errors, money bag, the $1 million potential, error coins to get into the serious 4-, 5-, 6-, or even 7-figure range. You need to look for a coin that should not exist. These are the mint errors, and they are the true drivers of coin value. While number 1929 penny has publicly sold for millions, the potential for such a monumental error to be discovered is what keeps collectors hunting. The kind of extreme error that fetches millions has generally been an unprecedented, unique anomaly. Here are the critical errors to check for on your 1929 cents. 1. The repunched mint mark. This is the most famous variety for 1929. Specifically, the 1929's repunched mint mark. What to look for? The mint worker at the San Francisco Mint had to punch the S mint mark onto the working die by hand. If the punch wasn't precise the first time, they'd punch it again, leaving a slightly visible doubling or overlapping of the S dot value. While common RPMs may only add a small premium, a truly dramatic, clear RPM variety on a 1929s can be worth hundreds to even $1,000 or more in high, uncirculated grades. 2. Double die errors. This error occurs when the die itself is flawed. Look for doubling on the date. 1929. The motto, "In God We Trust," and Liberty on the obverse, the lettering 1 cent, and United States of America on the reverse value. While some minor 1929 double dies exist, a dramatic, clear double die obverse, DDO, similar in prominence to the famous 1955 DDO, would instantly be worth tens of thousands of dollars and, if unique, could challenge 6 figures. 3. Struck on wrong planchet. This is the big one that separates thousands from millions. What to look for? An error where the penny design was accidentally stamped onto a coin blank, planchet, intended for another denomination, like a dime, a nickel, or a quarter. The analogy. Think about the famous 1943 copper cent error. Pennies in 1943 were supposed to be steel, but a few were mistakenly struck on copper planchets, making them worth millions. If a 1929 cent were accidentally struck on a planchet of a different, highly unusual metal or size, its uniqueness and rarity could push the auction price into the 7-figure range. The discovery of such an unprecedented new or wrong planchet error on a 1929 cent would be national, and let's look at what the top-tier 1929 cents actually sell for at major auctions. The most valuable non-error 1929 pennies are typically those in immaculate condition, often graded MS66 red or higher. A top-tier 1929s in super high graded condition could easily sell for $2,000 to $5,000 or more at auction. High-end, dramatic error coins, such as an extreme off-center strike or a major double die, would likely see bidding climb far higher, potentially into the five figures depending on the degree of the error and the condition of the coin. Remember, the key to unlocking this massive value is professional certification. Always send your potential treasures to a respected grading service like PCGS or NGC to verify the error and condition. White heavy checkmark. How to find your valuable 1929 penny. Don't let these specific errors intimidate you. Every serious coin collector started by searching. Here's your checklist. Get magnified. You must use a jeweler's loupe, preferably 10x magnification. Most valuable errors are too subtle for the naked eye. Check the mint mark. If it's a D or S, look for doubling or overlapping metal around the letter. This is your RPM check. Inspect the date and letters. Slowly scan the date. 1929. And the words, Liberty and In God We Trust. Look for clear separation lines or shadow images, which indicate a double die. Feel the weight. If a 1929 coin feels unusually heavy or light, or is the wrong size, you may have found a wrong planchet error. This is extremely rare, but worth checking. Look at the surfaces. Check for die cracks, strike-throughs, or other spectacular errors. Your next trip to the bank for a box of rolled pennies could reveal a hidden gem from 1929. Do you own a 1929 wheat cent? Have you checked for the S/S RPM? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more treasure hunts, and hit that notification bell. Happy searching!